Welcome to my channel. Early morning in Mall Road. As you can see, not much people in morning, like few tourists. They are like guiding them. Mostly shops are closed because I went very early. Only alcohol is going on. So there is wine shop, so that is there. And that guy, see this dustbin, he used that. That's good part of Shimla. People using dustbins. Every city should have more dustbins so people can use that morning cleaning time. So slowly like opening up this city, so market like now in raised, as you can see, quite sunny. Few people are walking, going to work, and this is famous restaurant Asiana by tourism. And beside it's like Getty Theatre, as mostly people know that it's very famous for photo. Many people click photo here. Whole day, if you come anytime, you will see people are standing here and clicking pictures. And some people soaking sun. That's a part of life in Shimla. This is the view of Lakkad Bazaar and Bradi, I guess. That area is quite local area. You can't go further from this. Like only like village is there. Extension of city only. This is the rich people are selling tea. Getty Theatre upper part, and this is MC building way to Mall Road. Another day in bridge. As you can see, it's daytime. Some exhibition type of things are going on. I'm going inside. Let's see what's inside. Have kind of food or some local items, clothes, some jewelry kind of stuff, I guess, some gift items from different small part of every district, panchayat, or I guess especially for encouraging women, village women. As you can see, mostly have like Ganati, some local village area. As you can see, it's like metal. I don't know from where I did probably check the board, but some clothes. It's like a mostly a place for exhibition. Like many things happen in this area. Whenever you will come, you will may find something happen in this area, because it's not have much place other than this where you will find this kind of exhibition in Shimla. So only quite this area. And they are promoting their stuff basically from here, because it's a good point to promote their stuff. This is Chodamdan. That's for today. That's for this video. Maybe in next video I will show you some other part of Shimla. Thanks for watching.